Poppy Playtime 4 trailer is out. Don't know if game is out yet, but there's a lot of creepy little things emerging. The sheep thing is weird as well. But this is Yarnaby, so I'm fascinated by these things. So let's draw it. Landscape page. Use a pencil, use an eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast. So Yarnaby's head is a circle with a line down the middle. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle because he's kind of like a teddy bear. So we can just sort of start anywhere. And his head's kind of tilted, right? So we'll go around and around. And we'll try and make it kind of circular. So sort of like a circle. Not a perfect circle, but it doesn't have to be. Okay, so there's like a line down the middle then. Boom, and his head is like tilted this way. Then 2 more circles for the eyes, right? Just up here. And they're pretty big. And so there's like a black circle and a white one, right? So we'll do the black one first. Right, and then it just has like a white kind of edge. Kind of like just makes it look a bit 3-dimensional. It's like a button. And he's got that glowing beady white eye just in the middle there. Like so. And then we'll do the other side. Same again. Okay. And give it that edge. Just sort of copy the shape around one side. And then we got beady white glowing eye in the middle. And that's all like colored black and real creepy. Colored creepy. If that's the thing. So then there's like a smiley weird mouth. But he's got fangs. Only 1 on that side. Oh yeah. 2 on this side. And we'll maybe make it just like a little bit 3-dimensional looking, just with these little edges and cracks and stuff. Like he's not perfectly clean, like there's like a little crack coming down here. Looks like maybe his head's made of a tennis ball or something. And then I think we can see like a lip line in here. So we just go down around the lip again, curving like that. That's like his bottom lip or something, just in there. Okay, so he's all these yarn. I guess that's why he's called Yarnaby. So they're just like tubes, I guess, like, and then his paws come out from underneath. But we'll just start building all these. Right, so all these lines, right? And they've got like, they're a bit sort of furry on the end. They're not like perfectly round. Might be easier to do them perfectly round, but maybe we'll just do them like this. And some go in behind others. You know, we'll add just these little round shapes on them. And then we'll do like more in behind as well. And you keep going. So you do this as much as you can. So you do a couple maybe sticking out like on their own, sort of. And then you gotta like fill in the gaps. So say like one there, like in there, and then here, like like all these little pipelines. And keep going all the way. He's got like two that stick out on the top of his head, I think. So like a fringe sort of area. And sometimes you'll see the end of them. So then another one here. Go this way. So I'll just power through this now. because you just have to keep doing this sort of over and over. There's no sort of mystery to it. You just keep going. Until you're happy with the results. It's a good rule for making artworks as well. Just keep going, don't stop. Never give up, never surrender. Do do do. So I've just drawn it so there's like some that are like on top of other ones, you know. So there's like some layers, you know. So that's like 1/2 basically. So we'll just keep going. Paws down here, so there's some go in behind his paws, so some of them we can't see like the end of. So it's like just moving up to the top and kind of just like filling in the gaps wherever I see them really. And I think there's a bit more that stick out back here. We may have his body back this way, but it's a bit blurry, so I'm not really sure. So I will stop with the head, I think. I'm not sure if that's his body. It probably is, if I was to guess, looking at the textures of all that stuff. Maybe his body goes back. Okay, so all these pieces of yarn then have these kind of curved lines on them. So they just like have all this on it. And you don't have to do it on all of them. Maybe just like the biggest ones. Yeah, it's kind of a laborious task, but I guess it'll make them look a bit better. Okay, that looks pretty decent. So we'll add his big claw paws now. So he's like a big tiger sort of paw thing. So they're just like blocks kind of with big sharp nails just sticking out of them here. It's like a chunky, like a big sharp nail here. And I guess maybe some just paw on the side here then. This nail seems to like stick out more. And it's all just kind of shadowy in here. Can't see a belly or anything. So let's do a big paw on this side. Okay. Kind of a line down the middle, I think, usually helps make them look a bit 3D. Right, and then another blocky one here, and then a sharp sort of nail just sticking out this way. Okay, so I think technically his arm goes back in under here somewhere. But I can't see this side because it's so dark. So I will settle for this. Yarnaby from Playtime 4. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.